Alright, ladies and gentlemen, update number 3 for the shed. Here we go. Siding's done. It's all done, all the way around. So all the siding's done now. Just got to finish this roof. The first layer of plywood on. Got the second sheet up there. We just got to slide it up, keep going. Ah, man. It's a hell of a project, man, doing it solo. But it gets done one way or the other, man. One way or the other. So now what's left is just gotta get up and make the cuts for that. Last couple pieces I got of the siding. So we'll get them cuts, get them up there. Once that's all up there, we'll go through, caulk all the edgings. Hammer in any nails that are sticking out a little bit. Caulk all the nail holes. Caulk all the seams and everything. And then we'll get the roof done. Once the roof's done, we'll spray it, and then we'll put the white trim on it. So we're gonna spray it a dark gray. Not too dark, but not light gray. So it'll be a dark gray. So when you look at it, you'll be able to tell that's gray, not is that grayish white, but it'll be gray. And then we'll do the bright white trim on it. So we're getting there, man. There's your little update. Almost done, man. It's almost done, bro. It's almost done.